How can I connect my Univision account to my TV?
Hello viewers, today we'll be discussing an easy step-by-step guide to connect your Univision account to your TV. This process is straightforward and can be accomplished in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll be all set to enjoy your favorite Univision content right on your TV screen.
What you need.
Before we start, make sure you have the following: an active Univision account. Ensure that your account is set up and working. A smart TV or a device that supports Univision app. Your TV should be able to install and run the Univision app. Some devices that typically support this include Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, and others.
Installing the Univision app on your TV.
Let's begin with installing the Univision app. 1. Power on your TV or device. Turn on your smart TV or the device connected to your TV like Roku, Amazon Fire TV, etc. 2. Go to the App Store. Navigate to the App Store of your TV or device. This might be the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, Roku Channel Store, or Amazon App Store depending on your device. 3. Search for the Univision app. Use the search function in the App Store to look for Univision. 4. Install the Univision app. Click on the app and follow the instructions to install it.
Linking your Univision account to the Univision app.
Now that you have the app installed, let's connect your Univision account. 1. Launch the Univision app. Open the Univision app on your TV or device. 2. Go to the sign-in page. Look for a sign-in option in the app. 3. Sign in with your Univision credentials. Enter your Univision username and password. After these steps, your Univision account should be connected to your TV. If a code is provided, you may have to go to the Univision website on a different device and enter the code to authorize your TV. Congratulations! You've now successfully connected your Univision account to your TV. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite Univision shows and programs from the comfort of your living room. If you've followed along with this video and encountered any issues, don't hesitate to check the official Univision support for further assistance. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy watching!